Okie dokie, we got this B7 RS4, and what I'm holding here is one of the original fuel door switch, right? So you have your fuel door switch and your trunk lid switch. We had an issue where we had no communication with the fuel door. This switch is no longer made, so we did get a used switch and had the same problem. That entailed picking up the carpet, get to the comfort module, the driver door module over here, and in short, what we came up with, pun intended, there's a short somewhere between that comfort module and this switch. All right, and we're gonna go to the door, and then from the door, it runs all the way to the back of the car to the fuel door, which I'll show you in a second. Now, to find that short, which we are capable of doing, is going to require disassembling a majority of what you see here. Right, this entire carpet has to come out, the kick plate's got to come out, the entire compartment here in the footwell needs to come out. And we don't know where that short is. It runs all the way up in here, and then it comes into the door. It's a lot of work, and we just weren't going to go that deep. We had to get this car back on the road, and most importantly, we needed the fuel door to be functional, because you have to go to the trunk every time to pull the manual release. So you'll see what we did here, and you'll see later in this video, it's going to look cleaner. This is a momentary push switch, and what we're doing is temporarily reversing the polarity so we can open the fuel door. We wired this to a 12-volt ignition on, which means the switch will not work unless ignition is switched on. So let's show you. I lied before we show you. This is the fuel door actuator right there. So basically, you got a connection that comes here, and that switch is going to, this is an actuator, and this actuator is going to move, engage, and then this is going to open and allow this fuel door to pop. So what we did not want it to fit into the stock harness, so we're gonna leave that out. Made our own connectors here, fully reversible, and let's show you. Open her up. Boom. One more time. Cool. Show you what it looks like. Switch on. Boom. That's it. So we'll put it back together and show you how clean it looks when we're done. All right, so we got it all buttoned up now. Kick plate's on, carpet's back on. Kind of hard to see in the video, but nice and tucked away. All you gotta do is pull this out, push the button, and the fuel door works. Nice and clean.